Hi everyone. So in this video we will be talking about the TCS exam pattern 2026 in detail. Okay. So we'll talk about TCS NQT 2026 hiring with exam pattern, each and everything we will be talking about this hiring in this video. Okay. First of all, I just want to clarify one thing. Very soon now you guys will be getting the free series of TCS on this channel. Okay, on this channel, how you will be getting the free series on this channel? So basically we will be uploading some quant aptitude videos, some reasoning video, or verbal videos, okay, here on this channel. And the thing is, you will be getting them on YouTube for free. Okay, so we will be uploading them soon on this channel, so make sure to subscribe this channel, and more updates regarding the TCS opportunity and everything you will be getting here. Okay, now Diwali is over, so we were just waiting when the Diwali will over, when then we will be start uploading the videos related to TCS NQT. Okay, now you will be getting the videos on TCS NQT exam, and we will try from our side that whatever the best we can provide, we will try from our side that best part we will do from our side on YouTube for free. Okay, see, definitely we are providing the paid materials, but for free side also we will be putting our 100%. Okay, now talking about TCS NQT, the rules are TCS Ninja, Digital and Prime. Okay, so for Ninja, you guys know this is the smallest rule with around 3.5 pay package. For Digital it is around somewhere around 7, and then for Prime it is somewhere around 9.5. Okay, now how you will get these job roles, what is the syllabus? So the detailed syllabus we will be covering here in this video. Okay, so let's start. So before starting with the exact pattern and all the details with the topic breakdown, okay, first of all, I just want to tell you one thing. So if you become late, okay, if you already registered for TCS, if you will become late for TCS, okay, if you will become little bit late for TCS in preparing and in preparations, that would actually waste your a lot of time. Okay, currently already we have started a day wise preparation. Okay, and I am not saying that I am doing it, I'll just show you as a proof. And the course who the students who purchase the course, you can ask them also. See here, daily practice. Okay, it is in the front of you. See here, 15th October, 16th October, 17th October, 18th October, 19th October, 20th October, 21st October, and 21st October. See here clearly. We are providing the daily test. See, suppose let's assume if you have around 30 days for preparation, okay, already more than 1000 question we have added in our mock test. Okay, so actual based on the previous year mock test you will be getting here, practice mock test you will be getting. It's a full-fledged mock test. Okay, so already 8 mock tests we have already created, which you can practice according to you. In the practice set, we have already added 760 questions, 214 verbal, 214 reasoning, 214 quant. Okay, cheat sheets, coding sheets, everything we have provided. Previous year coding question, coding sheet we have provided. Okay, all the coding question collection is there in this PDF. Okay, but we are also providing the daily practice set, and this is for consistency and for all the important topics that are very important in TCS NQT. We are providing the mock test here, so you can purchase it. Link will be in the description. Also the prices will be increased by day after tomorrow. Okay, so after day after tomorrow the price will be increased so much, so I request you to purchase it. If you want to prepare for your TCS NQT, already we are putting a lot of efforts, and you will be getting the daily test, also the instructions. So make sure to join the TCS NQT WhatsApp group, in which you will be also getting the instructions, like what is the weightage of the questions, how many questions you need to solve, everything we will be providing the updates in this group, so you can see that also. Okay, now let's talk about the foundation section. First of all, this section is mandatory if you want any profile, like if you want to join TCS Ninja, Digital or Prime. Okay, if you will not clear the cutoff of this section, okay, you will be not getting any profile. Either you want to get Ninja, Digital or Prime, whatever the profile you want to go for, this section is mandatory. If you will not clear this section, okay, if you will not clear this section, then definitely you will be not getting any position. Okay, so this section is mandatory to get at least Ninja profile. Okay, so for any profile actually you need to clear this section. In this section for quant you will be getting 20 questions in 25 minutes. Okay, so the main problem is time framing only, because the question levels are around medium. Okay, and the questions are doable and okay. But the problem is for the medium difficulty, a lot of practice is required because of the time frame. Because in these 20 questions, you only have 25 minutes. Okay, and generally speaking, there are a lot of questions which can take around 2 to 2.5 minutes to solve. Okay, questions are little bit calculative and little bit lengthy, so a lot of practice is required with the timing. That's why we are not limiting the mock test only with the 1000 question. We are providing the extra practice set for daily practice. Okay, more 1000 questions are already present in the series, which is more than enough for TCS NQT. But why we are providing the daily practice set? Because we want to make the consistency. That's why that daily practice with the important topic. Okay, because if you want to select, you actually don't need to solve all the 20 questions. If you are solving 12 to 14 questions, that would be a very good score. Okay, so we are trying to focus more on the important topics. We are providing the daily practice set for the important topics. Okay, so that's why it is very important for reasoning also 20 question 25 minutes, and the same thing for reasoning as well. And for verbal ability, it's 25 questions in 25 minutes. Very hard section if we talk about reading comprehension or paragraphs. Okay, so reading comprehension and paragraphs can take time, and this could be one of the hard section for you. Okay, for verbal ability, but we will be providing you enough resources for your practice. Okay, now talking about advanced coding, so it is not advanced coding, it is basically advanced section. So for advanced section, there is quant plus logical for 15 questions and 25 minutes. It is easy than the foundation section. And there is coding question 2 question 90 minutes. Generally you will get 55 and 35 minutes for this one. Okay, and generally it totally depends upon TCS what kind of question they want to ask. Because last year I made a whole video, okay, about the solutions. Okay, in the whole solution actually, I have made one video for the coding questions. Okay, and for the all solution, if you will closely monitor, in some slots the both questions are easy. For some slots one question was easy, one is medium, and for some slot it is easy and hard. Okay, so I'm thinking might be doing the normalization in the coding question as well, but this year the coding level can be little bit high. Okay, because last year they already increased the level in the last slots. They asked graph question in that. Okay, which was a not expected question, like Dijkstra algorithm they directly asked, but yeah, it was an unexpected thing. So coding question is important. Okay, if you want to get digital or prime, so it is important, and make sure that you perform very good in this. Okay, now talking about reasoning topics, what are the topics generally they ask in reasoning? Okay, so reasoning topics you can see here. So for reasoning, we are just I'll just give you the idea. Okay, so for reasoning, look here. Okay, the topics is very important. So statement, conclusion, statement and assumptions. Okay, statement and arguments, cause and effect, curse of actions, syllogism, analogies, verbal, logical sequence of word, blood relation, direction, sense, ranking order, coding, decoding, sitting arrangement. There are a lot of topics. Okay, sitting arrangement, puzzles, data sufficiency, decision making, input output machines, passage conclusion, clocks, calendar, mathematical question, number series. Okay, a lot of things are available. Letter series, symbol series, logical deduction, figure series, mirror water image, paper folding, cutting, embedded figure. Now you will be wondering how I will prepare for a lot of topics, because a lot of topics are prepared here. Okay, like mentioned here. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, just join this group, WhatsApp, TCS NQT WhatsApp group, which we have provided the link here in the course. Okay, you will be getting a very good idea, because daily we are instructing the students like what they need to study, what is the weightage for the topics, and according to that only we are adding the test in the daily practice. Okay, in the daily practice we will be adding only the important topics. So this is for daily practice for building the streak and the consistency. Okay, that's why this WhatsApp group is there, so make sure to join this group as well. Okay, so this is also important. So I hope the idea you have already got. There are a lot of topics in the reasoning. Same goes with quant. So for quant also there are a lot of topics. For quants there is arithmetic topics mostly, like number system, LCM, HCF, simplification, search, indices, remainder, divisibility, unit digit, last digit, average, percentage, profit loss, simple interest. Okay, compound interest, ratio, proportion, partnership, mixture, allegation, time work, pipes, certains, and time time, speed, distance, boat streams, problem on trains, ages, clock, calendars. Okay, so these are the main topics for quant. There are more topics, okay, which we'll be providing in the test. Okay, and in verbal, mostly there are four topics. Okay, so one is reading comprehension. So around like 6 to 10 questions you can get from reading comprehension. It's a very important topic with a lot of time consume thing. Okay, because it consume a lot of time and little bit hard. Okay, para jumbles would be there, and fill in the blanks and grammar. So grammar related like error correction, sentence improvement, this kind of questions will be there. There are mostly four topics. Okay, reading comprehension is very important if you want to crack this round. Okay, and then fill in the blanks also very important, and grammar related. That everything we will be providing. Don't worry, already we have provided a lot of things here. So this would be your syllabus for foundation section, which is the main section. For advanced section, there is a combination of verbal reasoning, sorry, the whole reasoning part and the arithmetic part. Okay, there are certain topics for the advanced reason, but it is the combination of these both only, in which there will be 15 questions for 25 minutes for advanced, and it is the advanced section is for digital and prime. Okay, so if you want to score for digital and prime, your performance should be very good in the advanced section. Okay, and mostly the topics are the combined topics of the logical and quant. Okay, and which we already covered in the foundation section, but little bit difference is there, like a DI question, a lot of DI questions would be there. Okay, in the advanced section, which you will be not finding in the foundation section. There are some or questions like arrangement related questions you will be getting. Okay, data related questions you will be getting. These are the some topics which are particularly TCS focus on for the advanced section. Okay, so this would be for advanced. Now talking about coding question. Okay, so coding question is again an important part. So for coding question, as I instructed, there will be two coding question, and if you want to score digital or prime, it is very important. Okay, at least you will aim for one coding question, because sometimes we face the issues with the compiler in TCS also. Okay, so if you want to clear one coding question, don't worry, I would just now suggest, if you don't know DSA very well, so go for DSA, read about the graphs, dynamic programming, and other things. One coding question you can easily do if you will work on numbers, if you will work on strings, if you will work on arrays. Okay, so these three topics, if you will cover, like strings, arrays, and numbers, definitely you can do very good in coding. Okay, so coding is also very important if you want to score for digital and prime. Okay, so this would be your whole syllabus. Okay, and don't worry if you want to prepare for it. Okay, because according to the previous year, what they are asking in the previous year is very important, the proper analysis, like what they ask in previous year. Okay, so that is very important. Like if they are asking some topic, they are giving more weightage to some particular topic. So this kind of things are very important. So with weightage for your practice, we will be providing you the daily practice sets. Okay, which you will be getting, and these daily practice sets definitely will be very helpful when you will be giving the exam daily. You are giving the question paper with the timer, that will actually help you a lot in your preparation. So that will be very helpful. Baki, thanks for watching this video. I hope the syllabus is cleared. Okay, so this is the whole syllabus and topics we have already discussed. And thank you so much for watching this video, and you can purchase the mock test. The link will be in the description.